The honeymoon phase of the new year is officially over, and now it's time to create those new habits. Let's try to make them second nature. So today I plan on studying a lot, getting a lot of things done, and really trying to stay on top of my goals. Now, I initially said that I wanted to study 4 hours on the weekends, and today is Saturday, so I'm supposed to study for 8 hours. But I missed a few hours during the week, plus I really want to get ahead with my studies. So the goal is to do about 4 hours of textbook stuff and then 4 hours of activities, so like writing, reading, stuff like that. Alright, so my plan is to tackle the boring stuff first, so I want to go through my 4 hours of textbook study right now while I'm really motivated, so that in the afternoon when I don't have as much energy, I can do the fun things like writing, speaking, kanji, things like that. So we are going to just get started. My breakfast is still in the oven, so I'm just going to drink coffee for now, but it's alright because I'm not that hungry and I'm just ready to work. Alright, I'm still in the middle of my first hour, but my breakfast was done and I wanted to show you before I kept going. I know it kind of looks gross right now, but trust me, it is so good. All it is a baked sweet potato, then I put almond butter on top of it, granola, and then chia seeds, and then a dash of cinnamon. I'm telling you, game changer. It keeps you full for a long time, and it's super healthy, and then it's delicious. So I wanted to show you, and now I'll get back to it. So it's been a few hours. I've been studying and I took a little break so that I can get my nails done, because if you can't tell, it's looking real rough right now. And because it's around like 1 o'clock, I think I'm going to get lunch too, just so that when I go home, all I have to do is get back to studying and I don't have to worry about cooking, because I've been making some good strides. I'm pretty proud of myself. I've got through a chapter in my textbook. I have to get through all 12 before I see my tutor in 2 weeks, but the chapters are so long that it's killing the momentum, but we're gonna keep trying. But right now we're just gonna enjoy this break away from studying, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, we are back and we look so much better than before. I'm so happy. I also got lunch. I got a veggie burger and french fries, which I will eat at home. But yeah, I'm ready to get back to studying, unfortunately, but we're making good strides, so I don't want to lose momentum now. So we're gonna get back to it. Good morning. It is the next day. Yesterday was super productive. I'm really proud of myself. I wanted to study for 8 hours, but I couldn't. But I did study for 6 hours, so I'm still pretty happy. I told myself for the weekends I need to at least study 4 hours a day, and I studied 6, so I'm like, okay, I can still live with that. Today I'm hoping to study 6 again, but it's gonna be close because I haven't finished my shorts for the next week. And one of my resolutions for this year was to always be 1 week ahead for shorts. I'm trying to have a really good balance of both my language learning studies and my YouTube responsibilities, so I just want to focus on that today. And then hopefully if we get everything done, I can still go to the grocery store, prep for the week, and make my ginger shots that I drink every day. So that is the plan. I'm going to drink this and then start on my hair. The hair is clean. Now I have to put in my mask. And while I'm under the dryer, I'm going to plan out next week, try to study a little bit and also read, because I want to stay on schedule so that we can do that book haul. Milo. Hey. Hey you. Hi you. Anytime you call him, he thinks it's time to play.
Every single time. Even if you just want to cuddle, he doesn't care. I let myself sleep in this morning, which was nice, but the only reason why I hate doing that is because everything takes so much longer, it feels like, and then all of a sudden your day is almost gone and then you don't feel like you've done enough. And that is exactly where I'm at right now. So I want to get my hair done really quickly so that I have time to do all my shorts. I am literally not going to bed until I get my shorts done, because you have no idea how stressful it is doing it during the same week. And it takes away from my study time. So I refuse to go to bed tonight until all my shorts are done. And I try to like film some of them during the week, but it's hard because when I come home, the first thing I do is study, and then I study for like 4 hours. And then when I'm done, it's time to go to bed, or it's time to do my night routine. I'm hoping the more I do this, the more efficient I become, so then I have more time, more leeway to do other things than just study. But don't get me wrong, I am really proud of myself. I love studying the languages, like seriously. It doesn't feel, I mean, it feels like work, but it doesn't feel horrible. But I really do want to find the rhythm in this so that I get more efficient and it becomes second nature, and then I can do other things as well. I love the smell of this hair mask. My hair is done. I feel so much better. Honestly, I know it takes a lot out of my weekend, but I love the smell and the process of doing my hair. I feel like it's just a little me time. Even if my weekend is busy, even if I have a ton of things to do, just stopping and taking a moment every single Sunday to do my hair makes me feel so good. So I'm happy that's done. Now I just need to make ginger shots. Once I make my ginger shots, I'm just gonna film everything. And hopefully when I'm done with that, I'll give myself maybe a 30-minute break, and then I'll start studying and preparing for Monday. And then it just starts all over again, kids. It never ends. But honestly, I'm pretty proud of myself. I feel like we've gotten a lot done this weekend, and there's no better feeling than doing what you say you're gonna do. Because even though maybe not every single moment is fun for you, future you always appreciates it. Because during the week, when I have all this free time to study and focus on things that I want to focus on, it's because I worked hard on the weekend and I did all my work ahead of time. So even though it sucks now, it's going to be worth it in the long run. So hopefully you take that mindset into your life and your responsibilities, because future you deserves it. And there is a saying that someone used to say, I can't remember who said it, but it stuck with me. It's, if you're going to eat crap, don't nibble. So when you have something you don't want to do, don't prolong it, don't procrastinate, just get it done. Because when you prolong it, you just make it a lot worse, and then you waste a lot of time, and then you don't get as much out of your day as you'd like. So I always try to keep that saying in my head whenever I don't want to do something, just so that I can rip the band-aid off and just keep going about my day. So that will be the motto for the rest of today. So next week will be good. Shots. I finished the shots, but now I have to go back because I messed up. Pretend you didn't see that. Shots are done. So I'm happy about that. Now we have to do all of the shorts for next week. We're so close. We're so close to the end of the day. Now, I want to do my book short first. I'm thinking books that I stayed up all night to read. Now, it's kind of cheating because I did this in like a 24-hour readathon, but I'm only going to pick the books that I really like. So is it really cheating? No. Work smarter, not harder, baby. So I'm going to hold them like this, and then I'll hold each one up like that. Make a little short for you guys. I think I'm going to add this one too. That looks good. I'm trying to get better at doing transitions, so let's see if I can do this one nice. I'm thinking hold it like this first and then hold up each book. Right? That looks good. I didn't even press play. Okay, I think that was pretty good. Don't ask, it was for you. But I'm done filming. I'm just gonna work on editing them for the rest of the night.